It wasn't a bad performance. It wasn't a mistake. The job just disappeared. One email, one meeting, one quiet explanation about restructuring, budgets, automation, market shifts. Nothing personal, that's what they said. But it felt personal. The routine, the identity tied to it, all vanished overnight. For years, that role had been the answer to the question, so what do you do? And suddenly, there was no answer. It wasn't a dramatic exit, no scandal. It was just a slow replacement by systems that don't sleep. The world kept moving. The industry didn't grieve. It adjusted, and I was expected to adjust too. The hardest part wasn't the income. It was the silence where structure used to be. That empty space where certainty used to live. But here's the thing I learned. A job disappearing isn't the same as a person disappearing. Your skills remain, your experience remains, your ability to adapt, that remains. Industries change, technology evolves, but your identity is so much bigger than your employment. Maybe the story isn't that you were replaced. Maybe it's that the world changed. And maybe, just maybe, you can too. It's time to shift the story.